Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a food subscription unboxing and it's Munchpak and this is what it looks like. Nice smiley face. So if you're new to Munchpak, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you everything there is to know about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I received in this month's Munchpak, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Munchpak is a food subscription. It is based in the US. It's free shipping within the US, but they do ship internationally. They ship to the UK for $15, which works out to be around £11. So the snacks you receive in your boxes are snacks from all over the world. Inside the box you'll have a leaflet and it tells you everything about the products. Plus you're able to look up the snacks in a Munchpak app which you can download, and that will also give you the option to buy snacks as well if that's what you want. So if there's something in particular that you absolutely love and you really want more of it, then download the app and you'll find it there. So there's 3 different subscription boxes that you can opt for. There's the mini, which contains 5 snacks, and that'll cost $13.95, which works out to be around £11. Then you've got the Munchpak box, which is what I've got, and inside contains 10 snacks, and that'll cost you $23.95, which works out to be roughly around £18. Then you've got the family box, which contains 20 snacks, and it'll cost you $43.95, which works out to be around £34. They also sell drinks like tea and coffee on their website, so you're able to add those to your box at an additional cost as well. You can choose your box to be delivered fortnightly or monthly. You can cancel any time, and also they do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. All links related to the subscription or any codes I can find for money off your first box, then I will link it down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that and that'll bring up the description, and all details and everything will be listed down there. Now this box was kindly sent to me. It was gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I think this is the 3rd box I've received. I think so. I've done one on Instagram as well, so maybe it's my 4th. I can't remember now. But yeah, it's fun. It is fun. Some snacks are absolutely disgusting. For me, we've all got different tastes, but some are absolutely gorgeous and some are completely bonkers. So I hope you enjoy watching, and let's get on to unboxing it. So there you go. First look in there. So the first snack we've got Miss Vicky's, and this is a honey and Dijon flavoured crisps, I think. Kettle cooked potato crisps. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I haven't worked out what country they're from yet, but that's what it looks like there. Oh wow, honey and mustard. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. So where's it from? So it says in the little booklet that these are from Canada, and it says kettle cooked potato chips with a balanced combination of sweet honey and delicate savoury Dijon mustard flavour in every every crunchy bite. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, that is so nice. That is so nice. It's just a shame it's not just this packet. Can you see in there? It's not just this packet, it's every packet. It's only like half you get, sometimes even less. These are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, I love them. Oh, that is lovely. It's sweet obviously with the honey, but only just a slight bit of mustard, but oh, it's just so tasty. I've never tried any crisps like this before, but yeah, and super crunchy too, so now I'm gonna have those afters for myself. So that's the first item. Next we've got, I don't know, it just reminds me of Cocoa Pops. I think it's just like the brown and the yellow. I haven't got a clue where this is from, but it's a shimmy cocoa corn. It does look like cereal though. Can you see there? It does look like cereal. So this is from Japan, and it's light, crispy and chocolatey puffed corn snack. They're like Cocoa Puffs intensified. Pair with a glass of milk or enjoy them in a cereal bowl. Oh, they are. All right then, that's a bit weird. Let's see what they taste like as they are. They are so weird. Oh my gosh, they feel weird as well. It's got like a funny coating, but yeah. They are really nice. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's almost like a chocolate wafer. They're just really tasty. Really, really tasty. And quite cold. Oh, it's weird. It is weird. I was expecting them to be like Cocoa Pops or something like that, but they're not. And there's only 6 in there. I would just eat them on their own. I think they're lovely. But no, I'll save them for the kids. Yep, it surprised me. So that's number 2. We have got here I don't know, I can't read it. Golden rice crackers. Does it say chicken flavour? Okay. It's like there. A nice big pack. These are from Taiwan and it says irresistibly crunchy rice crackers seasoned to perfection. These golden brown nuggets are packed with savoury chicken flavour in a convenient snack package. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just, I can't describe it. Like a dog foodie type smell, which is not that great, is it? It's okay. It is okay, but it's not... Yeah, anyway, they're tiny little puffs of corn, as it says. Oh, they're super crunchy. Oh my word, I like these. Can't taste chicken, but they are super, super crunchy. You see there? Oh, these are gorgeous. These are really, really nice. I'm going to have to put them down. That surprised me as well. I wasn't expecting to like them. I thought that they'd be quite tasteless, but they're not. They're super flavoursome. Not so much a chicken though. I don't know what it tastes like. but no, really crunchy and moreish. So there's those. Next we got a Cris, and this is a Cris croissant, and it looks like it's got like caramel or fudge or something. Oh, look at that. It's a caramel croissant from Poland, and it says if you're craving a tasty caramel filled croissant, no need to go to your local bakery. This fluffy flaky croissant is packed with both buttery flavour on the outside and sweet creaminess on the inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm gonna pull a bit off. I was expecting the insides to be brown like caramel, but it's not. It's like a creamy colour. It's okay. It's okay. It's not amazing. It's, hold on. Oh. I would eat it, but that's not saying much because I love food and I'll generally eat anything going. But I wouldn't be like, oh, I need to go to the shop and get a Cris. I wouldn't do that. No, it'd be like, if it's there, I'll have it then, you know? It's, yeah, I prefer croissants to be like fresh and warm and sort of melt in your mouth buttery. But no, this isn't. It is nice, but it's all right. It's all right. So no, so not my favourite so far. We've got some sweets, and these are Hawaiian Punch candy jellies. Oh, I love things like this. Oh my gosh, yeah, they've got orange sort of flavoured jellies, especially if they're like sour. I absolutely love them. That's what it looks like there. These are from the USA, and it says fruit juicy red, orange ocean, lemon berry squeeze, green berry rush, and berry blue typhoon. No matter which flavour is your jam, you'll be satisfied with these chewy jelly candies. They remind me of something that we do have in the UK. They're just round jellies. They are nice. They are nice. They're more like a jelly baby, but with a crispier, it's sugar. Imagine jelly babies covered in sugar. Yeah, if they can't get any sweet enough. Oh, they're lovely. I love fruity sweets. And I've got a ton of green ones in there. Too many of them though will be too much for me. Like, I like jelly babies, but one or two and that's about it. Same with these. They do have that sort of extra sweetiness about them. But no, I do. The flavours are really nice. So there's those. Got some more sweets here. We've got Finny Tormados, very soft and chewy candy. These are from Spain, and it says Licorice Ropes. Oh no! Licorice Ropes with 6 berry flavours in every bite. From Spain's #1 candy maker, these tornadoes are more flavoursome than your average licorice. Oh no, I don't like licorice. I just don't like it, so I'll have a go. And that's what it looks like there. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought. There is a licorice undertone there, definitely, but you can taste the fruity flavours. That's not too bad, that's not too bad, but I'm not going to eat anymore. I'll see what my kids think. Next we got a Bleacher milk caramel, and it just looks like a wafer bar. This is from Argentina, and it says if wafers are just sweet sandwiches, they must be okay to eat for lunch. This crunchy wafer sandwich is filled with sweet milk cream for the best snack lunch possible. Oh, they're all in little individual ones. Oh, right. There's 8 of them. So these are like little fingers. Oh, smell nice. Ooh, sorry. No strong like caramel, no strong like chocolate flavours or anything like that. But yeah, like a buttercream and a wafer. Yeah, they're nice. They're really nice. I know my kids would really like them. Next we got a Mr. Brownie. Ooh, there's 2 in there. There's 2 in there. And it's made with real Belgian chocolate, rich, moist and fudgy blondies. Why not try me hot? Oh, whoa. That's what they look like there. So these are from Spain, and it said these brownies are moist, rich and made with real Belgian chocolate chips. They're individually wrapped to help preserve freshness. Try one hot, you will love it. Okay, let's have a try of one here. Oh, they look so nice. They look so nice. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Yeah, no, lovely. There's a funny taste to them. They're nice. They're really nice, but I can't put my finger on it. It's like I'm chewing into like plasticine. Which is the only thing that came to my mind. I can't think how else to describe it for you. It's not bad. The taste is nice. It's just a really strange consistency, but it just looks like an ordinary cake, like a little cupcake. Goes on. Stop chewing. Next, we've got a make your own chocolate Choco kit. Oh my gosh, that's what it looks like there. Let's see what it says about it. So this do-it-yourself chocolate kit is from South Korea, and it just says a chocolate and strawberry cream and crunchy biscuits to create an adorable snack. Oh my gosh. Right, let's open it up and see what it's all about. You've got a mould. Then you've got some strawberry icing and chocolate icing, I'm assuming. Whoop. And in here, I haven't got a clue. So let's open and see what they are. They look like bones. They're just little biscuits, tiny little biscuits. So I think the aim is to put some icing or whatever's in here into one of these, stick a bone type biscuit on top of it, and then when it's all set and dry, you can pull them out and eat them like that. I'm not too sure. I think so anyway. Oh, yeah. Look there, right at the front, you can see them there. So that's what they look like. So you do the strawberry, then the chocolate, and then the biscuit. Definitely something for kids, I think, isn't it? But yeah, they're gonna love it. My kids are gonna love it. They're gonna think it's really quirky and a bit different. But I do think though that this should have gone in the family box, because it is more catered for a family as opposed to the mini box or the munch box, which what I've got. If you're an adult and you receive one of these, then I can imagine you thinking, oh, all right then. It is quirky, it is a bit of fun, but definitely it's for children, isn't it? It is for children. So there's that. And lastly, we got a waffle, and this is a cookies and cream Rip Van waffle European snack. Oh, I absolutely love waffles. This waffle is from Canada, and it says Stroop waffles are made of a layer of syrup between 2 wafers and usually enjoyed over hot tea or coffee. Indulge in a new version of milk and cookies with this decadent flavour. Oh, I love them. I went to Amsterdam for a weekend break. Oh, back in May, I think it was, with a friend of mine. Like, one thing I desperately wanted to do before we went home was to, was to find an original Stroop waffle like stall, so you could have one freshly made, and we did. Oh, it's gorgeous. It was lovely, but huge. I think €1.50 for a massive one like that. So yeah, so that's what that looks like in there. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, it's causing a mess. I'm trying to finish it off. I want to talk to you, but obviously you don't want to see me with black teeth. It's okay. It's not as nice. I'm dropping things from it. It's okay. It's not as nice as your usual, you know, plain Stroop waffles. I think they're more like of a buttery sort of flavour. It does taste chocolatey, but I can't taste like creaminess of it at all. It's quite dry, but it's nice. Again, as with the croissant, if it was in front of me and it was offered to me, I would eat it. I wouldn't say no, but it's not something I'd go to the shop and think, oh my God, I love that. I'm going to buy that. So yeah, so those are all the items. So I've tried them all, had a little nibble from them all, except for the do-it-your-own like chocolate sweet type things. But yeah, I think overall there wasn't much that I didn't like. The honey and Dijon mustard, whoa! I really hope I can find a crisp company that does that flavour in the UK, because it is gorgeous. It is so nice. But I think out of everything, those licorice sort of sticks are the only things that, yeah, I wouldn't eat again. I think that's all really. So my thoughts on this box remains the same as it always has done. I think it's a really great fun box. I think it personally, shipping to the UK, having the 5 snack box, you're talking with shipping around £22, which is quite pricey. So if you were thinking of doing one, I definitely recommend either the family or the Munchpak, which is just more better value for money for you. I think if you're in the US, it's free shipping. I think this is a fab subscription to get for you. It's affordable and it's fun. It is really good fun. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to this box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. Even if you think that this box is not for you, comment down below, because I just love hearing all the different opinions. If you've enjoyed watching, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.